The beginning of July has not been bullish for the Bitcoin and crypto market as earlier expected due to a number of events that have shaken the market. For example, the Spot Ethereum ETFs did not debut on July 2nd as expected, and the US and German governments have been reportedly selling large tranches of BTC. However, again, turn in the tide could be coming for Bitcoin and crypto at large as the CPI data is expected to drop on July 11. Crypto analyst Crypt Nouveau took to X, formerly Twitter, to share their thoughts on where they expect the Bitcoin price to be headed next. Pointing to the upcoming CPI data, Crypt Nouveau explains that a rate cut could be imminent in the CPI data that is expected to be released on Thursday, July 11th. With the inflation data expected to come in lower, this could point to an immediate rate cut, or at least a further rate cut by the Fed going forward. Naturally, such rate cuts will be good for the Bitcoin price, as they have been in the past. A rate cut or our imminent rate cut announcement would be greatly received in the crypto market. And I believe that we would see prices going up aggressively in our DAT case. The analyst said, I don't discard that if we get a good CPI on Thursday, we see that reversal for that day because the market tends that are pricing what's to come from the Fed. Crypt Nouveau explains further about an auto time in Baltimore along with the chart within the Mr. Forward hours, but Mr. Forward hours. And so if the time paying to get as a crypto analyst wick that occurred in early July before the market recovery, but the analyst does not believe that it is over for the price. Firstly, the analyst expects at least 50% of the wick to be filled, something that already happened over the weekend when the price fell to $54,000. Onto the topic of the wick being 100% filled, it could be bullish for the price, as the crypto analyst expects that falling to this level could see how the price bounce from here. However, there is also the possibility that the price fills this wick and then falls further down. In such a case, the crypto analyst believes that $51,700 would hold for the Bitcoin price. This means that this would be the next support level for bulls to hold. A recovery from here would likely see the price barrel towards $60,000, but the analyst maintains that $60,000 is now resistance for Bitcoin.